Okay, may question po tayo galing kay Ma'am Rosa. Ang question niya, Coach Idol, pasample naman po ng lower abs, please. Thanks. So, tara, game. Marami yan. Napakarami pong lower abs exercise, pero ito po yung mga pinakamadaling pwede nyong gawin. Okay, siguro magbibigay ako ng mga 5 exercise na mabilisan lang. First, favorite natin, syempre, is seated knee to chest. Okay, so, yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower abs po yan. Okay. Next is bicycle. Lower abs din po yan. Okay, that's 2. Next is flutter kicks. Nakabend po yung knees para tumama sa abs at hindi sa hip flexors. Number 3, syempre ito, basic favorite natin is leg raises. Yeah, medyo nakabend. 1, 2, 3. Okay, lower abs din po yan. Next is, what you can do is extend the knee to chest. Yan, lower abs din po yan. 3. And 5 exercise po yung dinemo natin for lower abs. Marami pa pong variation yan. Kailangan nyo lang pong i-research. As long as kaya nyo engage yung lower abs nyo, okay po yun. And kung ang goal nyo is to really lose some belly fat, kailangan nyo po samahan ng intermittent fasting and calorie deficit kasama ng mga workout na to para talaga lumiit yung tiyan nyo at saka yung